Good morning, folks. I was under the assumption we had an AST out, AST in today, which I hate them. But it was an emergency response job because last week I was called out because the dad is overseeing, helping his daughter out. Said the tank is weeping and it's progressively getting worse and it's 3/4 full. So I thought that job was today. But I just found out from Craig, it's just an AST out in the basement. Really don't like those. I don't know. Why am I going to those jobs? It's like hiring Ronald McDonald to come in and actually cook a hamburger. You have the other people do that. What do we got going on here? Garbage run? Oh, we have that other tire, Sam. I don't know if you noticed. Yeah, I'll try to remember to grab that. And you, go get your coat, your green jacket.
Thank you.
It's been in there the entire time. Now it's in Mike's car. My son gets his memory ability from me, which is horrible. All right. I don't know how we can try to make this exciting for you, but it's an AST out in the basement, half full, in Warwick. We'll see you out there. Hey, Sam. Okay, we've reached our destination. This is going to be some tight access in. It's a basement removal, so I'm thinking it's in here. I wonder what people think when we just show up, park everything in the road, come out and start filming. All in black hoodies. Alright, so I went on a reconnaissance mission there and found a spot for Craig to be able to turn that around so we can actually attempt to back up the driveway and scrape the entire bottom of the trailer. You got that, no problem. Perfect. We have to try to remove this. Couldn't, whoever did it previously couldn't get it. Chip that away a little bit. Don't want to hit that. It's soft. Look at that. Nice little copper pipe just jammed in there. Let's see if stay there. Let me see if it moves. Working?
Yeah, but it's not going to go all the way.
Oh. flush out here.
Hey, good thing I'm wearing my glasses. Jammer, where is Bertha?
That wrench will get it done. Gotta bring that big dog in here. Of course that's gonna spin off, right? Just gotta keep whacking at it then. You can't grab the pipe?
No. Maybe.
Try.
Well, I'd have to go in here.
From the other side?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Hey.
Well, actually you can just continue to tighten. Legos. Well, that's very cool. Am I crossing the personal line by viewing that? Hey, just start tightening it now.
I'm just gonna grab it.
Yeah, start tightening the 90. He won't listen to me.
I didn't know you didn't. I didn't. That makes sense.
He's just cutting it open so we can get the wine back to this. Yes. Okay, so this is out. No damage to any of the cool Lego stuff. I've seen in the past that this works the best with regards to this foam, but the trick is don't remove that for 24 hours. Let it stay. Less is more with this stuff.
Oh,
Wonder how old this tank is. I want to ask him.
right here. It's a Granby. Check the.
What, the dates on it?
Should have a sticker right there.
Oh, there's no white sticker.
Well, there's a plate.
And you notice what I noticed?
Hold on, it's
The
backwards.
seam is in the back.
Yeah, but I don't think it was installed here. Think about
Yeah, I
it.
mean, why would you pipe it all the way over
Yeah, look
here?
at the height of it. I feel like the tank was.
That's got to be virtually impossible.
Yeah, it was like right where you're standing.
Maybe it was over here.
But the furnace was right here.
Well, but yeah, he cut that flooring around it. See?
Yeah, I mean, but how would you even think about
I have no idea. We will ask him. Put that block of wood under the leg, get a little bit of a pitch here. Try to get as much out of it as we can.
Ready?
Yep. Sammy cleaning the tank?
Day one, quarter. Boston. No answer this morning yet.
I texted her when they were getting out of the game. Standard loser blaming the refs. Sam, that was a great job right there, pal.
Thank you, I appreciate it. It's my first time.
Great job, man.
Oh, wow. Start a poll. Who cleans better? Kid is stupid.
It's not working a difficult project. You could have wiped that clean. But still, not taking away the quality of your work, Sam.
You kind of are.
Just stating the facts. That's all. That's like beautiful metal work. You gotta leave. Yeah.
That's full.
Mm-hmm. Alright, that's, you know, nothing against Mikey, but that's got to be the cleanest 275. Tank was probably in use 8 months. Okay, folks, this is an absolute boring job. Really sweating bad. It's because I'm fat and I'm old. To try to make it a little exciting, Craig found the date punched in on this tank. So, you get to look at the inside. Turn this light on. I did a lot. Where's that light?
It's on the box.
All right, guess the year.
Month and date. Month and year.
Year, month, and date. Well, that would be the date, the year and month.
Yeah. There is a hint on this tank for people if they really wanted to do their research.
There is?
I don't want to tell them though.
Okay.
If you stand right here, there is a hint. There you go.
I found it. The year and month. Closest one gets a hoodie. We're giving the stuff away. So my son of, how old are you, 24? 25. Just weirdly let something out of the bag. He walked over and said, hey, don't those, what are they called?
Don't you ever want to go up to a salt
He
lamp?
said, don't you want to go up to a salt lamp and lick it?
I mean,
No. No, I don't. But then Craig said that Nate does it. You have them?
oh yeah.
Do you want to lick that?
No, Nate likes it.
Sammy, you have something in common with Nate Boy. So when did you notice that you had this, what's it called, fetish?
Oh, fetish.
Yeah, salt lamp licking. Is that a thing? I bet you if you keyed it in on...
People lick frogs.
They lick what?
Fetish. Funny.
Frogs, yeah, to get wasted. You know, nah, we're talking my language. I just noticed that was done on the install, I guess. But they still put her in. She's good. All right, boys, carry it out. Let's
Handles first one.
break a mirror or something. Get some sighting. Because I think the bulk of our 42 fans have turned it off already.
No, these are perfect.
Here comes the drama. About 270 pounds. A little more, actually.
If we can get it in the trailer without dropping it, it's double pay.
Double. Something went down.
Yeah, stop recording.
I could never.
Jammer, glass. Jammer, you dropped it.
You pop dropped it. There's the double pay. Do we just take it from Sam?
Sam.
But you know what, though? I think I'd have more than double pay to repair that.
Yeah, I'm not being responsible for that.
Careful.
So, are you a Lego fan or a...
Careful.
That was a little nerve-wracking right there.
Yeah.
You got all these. You still won't make it all the way down. Look, Sammy's fading.
Come on, Jammer.
Sammy's fading. He's got the hard job going backwards.
Go sideways.
Oh, don't change it up now.
Yeah, you're ruining
No,
it.
That was an excuse. You gave an excuse.
No, dude, you had it easy. Plus, you've been lifting tanks for 17 years. I think
man.
Sammy's stronger than you.
I'm an old man.
How much you benching now, Sam?
295.
295. I don't think you can bench that, can you?
No.
Oh, see? But you got man strength and tank strength.
Oh, you got dad strength.
You've been doing this all your life. Dad strength?
Yeah.
Is that a thing?
Oh, yeah.
I'm a daddy 4 times over. How about grandpa strength?
I'm so am I.
Such a thing? Grandpa strength?
I think that's...
Oh, that's when you... Yeah, okay. All right. Well, we all knew I was headed downhill.
Senior citizen.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'd love to see Craig fall right now.
No chance.
If you push really hard, Sam, he might.
I'm built for this, bro.
That's about as exciting as this video gets, folks. That's it. Round of applause. All right, this was a boring one. But we're gonna show it because there's a hoodie challenge there. So we're just gonna leave that on for 24 hours. Because you can see it's forcing it out. Which is pretty annoying. Okay folks, we are done here. Everything's swept up. Grab a couple of leaves. This is good content. We did not smash that. That's a success. This is still bleeding out. Craig is putting the door back on. That's it folks. It's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental. Give me a guess on that tank. See if you can do your homework. See if you notice the change of what Craig was talking about. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental.